Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Aparna's Magic, and today we are going to paint a waterfall. So quickly I'll tell you whatever we need. We need a drawing book, water and colors you can see in this box. Lot of brushes today we are using. So for this I'm using broader brushes, okay, and this is the smaller one. Again we are using this round brush for making our tree. Again we are using this palette, okay, for shading our rocks, okay. And then this is the small pointed brush, and today we are using a lot of fan brush to make our waterfall, okay. And this one, this is sponge. We are using this sponge also for making our clouds. If you don't have this, you can use this one. Yes, this is used for washing utensils, but you can ask for a new one from your mom, okay, a smaller piece. You can make with this also clouds. So as I mentioned earlier, we should always plan our painting. So today as we are going to paint waterfall, so I'm thinking we'll paint sky in our top part, and then two rocks on the sides, and in between we'll make our waterfall, and down also little bit water, and then afterwards we'll decide where we can make our trees or flowers wherever we need according to our painting, okay. So let's get started. We'll coat our sheet with water, a thin layer, okay. So for sky I'm using light blue color and white color together, and just simple strokes I'm making, okay. So today we are making very light color sky. See this. And now I start to make our clouds. So I'm taking this, okay, sponge, and dipping in my white color. See, I'm dipping it. Wherever we want, we can make our sky clouds. See. So wherever you want, you can make your clouds, and I'm showing with this also, okay, with the sponge also. See, small tapping strokes we are giving here and there. So now we'll take this bigger fan brush, pinch of white I'm dipping in my dark blue color, okay. See, you can see that. Maybe from this side to center, okay. So we'll give just a stroke and then push down, then again just stroke and push down. See, simple. Just one more stroke and down. See. So again with the same brush we make our sky. I'm dipping this in our dark blue color, and we are giving a watery effect and down also, because we have a lot of water here. This is very simple and easy painting. Just pinch of white. Maybe the water is splashing a little bit here and there. Okay. So now with this smaller pen brush, okay, I'm dipping it in white color, and we start to highlight our waterfall. So we'll start from here, okay, and just down. See, we started from here and just will bring our waterfall effect here. See, just we start from here and down. Lot of white color. See, we start from here. Again, water splashing here and there. Same brush, water. Maybe it's small. Waterfall is here. Okay, maybe splashing. Again, small waterfall here. Similarly, it goes this side. Okay, wherever you want, you can make your waterfall. See. Some water splashing here. So let it dry for a couple of minutes, then we'll paint our rocks. Okay, so now we'll make our rocks. Okay, for that I'm using burn umber and little bit of black. Okay, see, I'm deciding will one rock from this side. Okay, see, another rock, maybe this side. We'll start from here. Yellow ochre and little bit of white in that. Okay, mixing this. Maybe a pinch of red we will need. Okay, so we'll take this palette, we are pushing it down and cutting the edge. Okay, maybe we'll start from here. Okay, see, see, this shade, just little reddish shade, and we'll put this down here. Okay, simply I am giving a little strokes, down strokes here. And again this side also. Then we'll take a brown color and we'll make a rocky surface here. Then we are using white and yellow ochre for the shading. Little rocky kind of texture we are giving this. Okay. And with little white color, just patches here and there. Okay. And little mix of red also here and there, small patches. Okay. So after our first stroke, I'm taking our second stroke here, maybe dark color. Okay. Just mixing our black and little bit yellow ochre. We are giving an edge to our rocks. Maybe this side and here. Okay. This side also. Again we'll take our white color and smaller fan brush. Okay, I'm dipping here. We'll splash our water here. Okay. Dark green and black color. I'm tapping this and we'll make our trees. We'll make here. Okay. And some here. Okay. Then we'll take a little white and yellow ochre. Okay, and we'll mix them. Okay, and just the same technique, I'm pushing it down and cutting the edge. Okay, we'll make our base here, so maybe it's coming here. Okay. See. Again with white color. And with the same brush, I'm using this light green and white. Okay, let's see. Same here. Then pinch of yellow and white. Our light green color with pinch of white. Okay, pinch of dark green, some greenery. Okay, it's coming down here in the our rocks. Dark green. Small bushes are coming here also in our rocks. Okay, we are highlighting our trees branches with brown color. So now we'll start to make our big tree. Maybe we'll start from here, one branch. Again one tree here. Just simple small branches here and there. Okay. Little bit of white and yellow ochre. Again just finishing. And with this brush we'll give leaves to our this tree. Okay, take our little black color and dark green. Okay, and just we'll tap this and we'll start to make our trees leaves. Okay, so we're here. And with the same brush I'm using this light green color and white color, and we'll give a little lighter color to our tree. With little yellow. Okay, just highlighting the brown color of our tree. Okay, little shading of white and yellow ochre. So I'm thinking we'll make small bushes here. So again I'm using my round brush and little bit of black and dark green. Okay, and just little bit of bushes here. Then we'll take light green and white color, and with small round brush we'll shade our tree with lighter color. Pinch of yellow and pinch of white. Okay, pinch of white here and there. And this with pointed brush. Okay, I'm taking burn umber and we'll give little branches. Okay, now it's done. Just we'll write our initial here or name. So our painting is done. You can see here a sky, trees, and waterfall, in our rock. Everything is very nice. So do practice, and if you like this painting, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.